Hello, and welcome to Section 5, where we break down 4 interior design styles that are definitely retro, meaning these are styles that originated several decades ago and are still going strong, or they are newer styles that have had a resurgence, or they are simply inspired by some older styles. So these styles include mid-century modern, industrial, Art Deco, and Zen. If you've been taking this class in a linear fashion, then you already know how I will be breaking down each of these styles to help you understand exactly what makes each of these styles unique and distinctive. At the end of this section, you will take your final style quiz to find out which of these cool styles is best for you. Now, you may be sad or perhaps happy to know that this will be our last official style section before we move on to the very popular topic of how to mix different styles well. That said, let's go ahead and get started.